Hello guys! Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Flameproof 150 by 150 by 110 mm junction box. Here is the unboxing of this product. In this, we get our die-cast enclosure, and on top, they are enclosed to withstand the pressure developed at the time of the internal explosion. Most people get confused when they hear flameproof. They protect from the explosions that can happen within the enclosure. We have transparent glass for indication. Here is the overview of this junction box. Here we can see we have 4 Allen key screws, and their size is 4 mm. And on the front, we get a lever connected with the top cover, and like this, you can loosen and tighten the junction box. And on the bottom side, we get 5 glands for wiring it look like this from the different sides. Here is the dimension of this junction box, 150 mm by 150 mm by 110 mm. We have speeded up the video for better understanding. And like this way you can open this junction box. And this is the lever or guide for holding the cover of the top. In that way, you can fix the terminal box as well as the display controller. Technical specification. Model, junction box. Size, 150 by 150 by 110 mm. Type of X protection AC current 60 ampere to 600 ampere. Zone classification, Zone 1 and Zone 2. Gas group, I, IIA, IIB. Ingress IP protection, IP65 IS by IEC 60529-2001. Terminal blocks, as per client requirements. Paint, epoxy polyester powder coating. Cable entry, 5. Hardware stainless steel.